to fix Instagram Notes music not showing problem. For that, you need to first update your Instagram from any Play Store or App Store that is available on your mobile device. Then, once you're on your Instagram application, you need to tap on Profile, which is at the bottom right corner. Now, select the three-line icon at the top right of the screen. Scroll down, and here, under How Others Can Interact with You, tap on Messages and Story Replies option. Now tap on Show Activity Status and make sure you have enabled both of the option, that is Show Activity Status and Show When You Are Active together. Once you have done that, let's come back to the home page of Instagram to check whether our problem has been solved or not. For that, tap on message icon at the top right of the screen. And here you go guys, your notes has already been available. Let's tap on your notes, and under the caption you can easily find the option of music. Tap on it and here you can select it and you can share it to the Instagram. So in this way you can easily fix Instagram Notes music not showing problem. Hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.